Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick on how to have a completely blank name for your Instagram highlights. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on the highlight you want to edit. Then, in the bottom left corner, tap on the three dots and select Edit Highlight. Now here's the issue. Instagram doesn't allow you to save the name field if it's empty. Even if you delete all the text, the Done button stays inactive. But here's a trick to fix that. Go to Google and search for blank text or invisible character. Click on any website you prefer and copy the invisible character provided there. This is not a regular space. It's a special character that Instagram accepts. Now, go back to Instagram, paste the character into the name field, and tap Done. That's it. You now have a highlight with no visible name. If this was helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.